All right. Hi, good day, Ma'am Mariel Gulan. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello po, good evening. My name is Mariel Tigolan, 25 years old. I am a single. I am a Roman Catholic. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Food Service Management. I have three brothers and two sisters. I am the third child among my siblings.
All right, thank you. And then how would you describe yourself?
Mom and sir, I am a hardworking, trustworthy, flexible, honest, and patient.
Okay, good. And then may I know your reason why you want to apply abroad?
I want to work in abroad because it's offer a good salary to support my family and to be have a good future.
Okay, so do you have any work experience abroad?
No, I don't have, but I have experience here in the Philippines from August 2022 to February 2026.
All right, so did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities being a housemaid helper here in Philippines?
My duties are general cleaning, ironing, washing, cooking, marketing, and pet care. I serve a family of three, two adults and one child. But my top priorities is to take care of child. I give him milk on time, vitamins and medicines based on the doctor's prescriptions, and also join him play inside outside home.
All right, good. And then, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then what will you do if you become homesick?
I make myself busy and I will focus to my goal to finish my contract.
All right. And then, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And then, how do you describe your cooking skills?
I know how to cook like adobo, sinigang, and menudo.
All right. So, you know how to cook Filipino dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn.
Okay. So, do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have the full consent of your parents to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Okay, so do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
Yes, ma'am. I have when I was 6 years old is a cyst under my belly part, but I'm able to work, fit to work
All right. So, when did you have a surgery?
when I was 6 years old.
Okay. And then for the last
It,
question, Ma'am Mariel Gulan, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
um, Good evening, ma'am and sir. My name is Mariel Tigolan, single. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Food Service Management. Please hire me, ma'am and sir. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. I will give my 100% to love and serve your child and the whole family members.